like a chip. And I loved it though, because passing it felt so cool.
Fun. I don't feel cool passing it. It's just fun to do. I didn't know I could have so much fun doing straight fly, but here we are. You know what the best kind of straight fly is? The 2-click straight fly. That's the best kind of straight fly. Anathema is a master of the 2-click straight fly. 2 and 3-click straight flies are the best kind. Aftermath did not master the 2-click straight fly. Aftermath can go suck a dick. Oh, it sucks so bad. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
Please. Let's go! Let's go! I beat it.
Sucks to be me.
Oh my god.
Is Lettus2 in the completion video?
Yeah. You're talking about 2-click straight... You're talking about 2-click straight flies the entire time.
Yes, I love 2-click straight flies. Oh my god, the world needs to know how good 2-click straight flies are.
My attempt count's lower than glide. My attempt count is like, oh my god. It's 202 attempts lower than glide.
What's the number?
19,748. I can't believe it, man.
Future?
What?
Is that my destiny? Is that my fate? 20k on MISFIRE?
I mean, only time will tell.
I thought I had this shit locked in less than 17,000.
Oh my god, I can't believe I did it. I can't believe I did it. That...
Releases! Oh my god.
Honestly, I'm gonna be so for real. That felt easier than Blade of Justice, from my experiences.
Understandable, you're bad as shit.
Yeah. Oh, what's the Irretal? What's the Irretal placement?
Ew, yucky. I don't endorse the Irretal, by the way.
I just use it to, like, track whether I'm actually improving or I'm just, like, staying at the same skill and relative to the demon list.
I use the GDDL for that. It's better. Better for that exact thing.
Well, thank
probably improved a lot.
God.
MISFIRE is 529, by the way.
Yeah.
Am I still? Yep.
And Bloodbath was 668 when I beat it. Bloodbath when I beat it, which was in
definitely not top 700 anymore.
October.
Could have sworn Bloodbath is like barely top half of all extremes.
Yeah. What am I even gonna give that for enjoyment?
That's the issue that I have with demon lists. The Bloodbath is in the top half of extremes, but it's nowhere near 50%. It's nowhere near the halfway point.
Yeah.
It's genuinely like 25% through the difficulty, but it is harder than half of all extremes. That's why the demon ladder is better. It acknowledges Bloodbath's difficulty. Like, if you jump 75 spots, if you do a 75 spot list jump on the Irretal, it's either from a top 1,300 to a top 1,200 and not impressive at all, or you're going from, like, ordinary to Thinking Space 2, which is fucking crazy.
Yeah.
But then on the demon ladder, if that's like 2 or 3 tiers. It's like, I'm doing a 2-tier jump, which I don't think Blade of Justice and MISFIRE is much of a jump. I think MISFIRE is going to be a lot harder for me, but I think that's just because it's wave heavy and I got lucky on Blade of Justice.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I spent way more time on previous hardest than this, because Glide took me 4 months and Bloodbath took me 4 weeks, and this took me
Well, those are
a
both
week.
chip levels.
Yeah.
Not an idea. Glide is just ass. That just sucks. That was so bad. I'm never doing that.
True. I almost fluked it from before the spider, and then I
I don't
died.
think you almost fluked it. I don't think it was fluking Glide. I don't think that's a thing. I think you were just straight up gonna die at the end. That's how it goes.
Well, because I died to the last click of the cube at the end.
You think you would have fluked the UFO?
Yeah. The UFO's
That's not how
easy.
Glide works. Yeah, it's easy. That doesn't mean you're gonna. Glide is not a fluke level. You don't get the fluke glide. Nobody does. You have to die at the end.
I mean, I've fluked very many you don't fluke this kind of levels. I fluked Bloodbath, sort of.
Bloodbath is not a you don't fluke this kind of level.
Well, there are people who would say, like, you can't fluke G-Boy.
You can fluke G-Boy. G-Boy's so flukeable. It's just easy to die to. As long as you don't fuck up like a dumbass, like I did 5 times or whatever the hell. I got 4 G-Boy deaths.
I mean, how many did Riot get?
None of them should have happened. Riot probably had like 1. I don't know. That's different. Riot beat the level in 2015.
Right.